Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win at day trading as a beginner. First, understand that day trading is a high-risk activity requiring dedication and discipline. It is crucial to approach it with realistic expectations, knowing that losses are a part of the process. You must commit to continuous learning and adapt your strategies as market conditions evolve. Remember, success in day trading is a marathon, not a sprint, demanding patience and emotional control. To begin, select a reputable brokerage platform offering competitive fees and robust trading tools. Familiarize yourself with various chart patterns and technical indicators, such as moving averages or the relative strength index, to make informed decisions. Mastering different order types, including stop-loss orders, is vital for managing potential losses. Always keep an eye on economic calendars. Major news releases can significantly influence market movements. Effective risk management is paramount for long-term success. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. Always implement a stop-loss order to protect your capital from unexpected market moves. Establish a well-defined trading strategy, including precise entry and exit points, before opening any position. Focus on quality over quantity, executing only your highest conviction trades. Trading psychology plays a critical role. Emotional discipline is key to avoiding costly mistakes. Fear and greed can cloud judgment, so stick to your plan. Maintain a comprehensive trading journal to review every trade, identifying patterns in your successes and failures. Continuous learning is essential. The markets are always evolving. Remember to take regular breaks to ensure you remain mentally sharp and avoid decision fatigue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.